Welcome to mobohubb, the all-in-one solution designed to simplify workforce management for deskless teams. Let's jump right in and show you how it works. Here's your mobohubb dashboard. Right away, you get a clear view of ongoing shifts, live locations, and real-time updates. No more chasing information. It's all here at your fingertips. Scheduling shifts is quick and intuitive. Need to assign an officer or a field worker? Just select a name, choose a time slot, and hit confirm. Done. Everyone stays in the loop. Assigning tasks is just as easy. Managers can quickly create and update job details in real time. Whether it's a security check or a maintenance request, team members get instant updates on their mobile devices. On the go? No problem. Your team can clock in and out right from their phones with GPS verification or a photo for accountability. No more paperwork, no more uncertainty. And the best part? Whether you're at the office or in the field, mobohubb works seamlessly across devices, desktop, tablet, or mobile, and is a multilingual tool, meaning everyone can use it. Mobohubb makes mobile workforce management simple, efficient, and stress-free. Ready to see it in action for your team? Let's get started today.